Hi, we're your hosts. I'm Warren,
And I'm Buffett.
two high school students passionate about finance, investing, and helping our generation build a smarter financial future.
Each week we'll break down key concepts in investing, analyze market trends, and share strategies that anyone, no matter their age, can use to start building wealth.
Whether you're brand new to the stock market or already tracked your portfolio, this show is your go-to guide for clear insights and thoughtful discussion straight from a Gen Z perspective.
Because it's never too late to take control of your financial journey.
This is NextGen Investors, and let's get started. It's Friday, May 2nd, and the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and NASDAQ all posted great gains today, making the ninth consecutive day of increases, the longest winning streak since 2004.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.4% to close at $40,752.96, while the S&P 500 climbed 1.5% and the NASDAQ Composite also gained 1.5%.
A huge factor of this rally was a stronger than expected April jobs report. The U.S. economy added 177,000 jobs, surpassing forecasts and indicating a resilient labor market.
This positive employment data has boosted investor confidence, suggesting continued economic growth despite recent trade tensions.
On the corporate front, Apple reported earnings that fell short of expectations, with shares declining 3.8%.
On the other Mag 7 earnings, we had Microsoft and Meta and Amazon all reporting earnings this week. Microsoft had a double beat on both beating revenue and net income, rising over 7%. Meta also coming in had over 5% move the next day to the upside. Amazon, although, missed on their AWS sales by just a tiny bit, and their shares ended up dropping over 3%.
Looking ahead, all eyes are on next week's Federal Reserve meeting. This is going to be very crucial for the market. Investors are eager to see if the Fed will adjust interest rates in response to recent economic data.
A potential rate cut could further stimulate the market, but the Fed may choose to maintain current rates to monitor inflation trends. It's now time for our stock picks of the week. For mine, I'm going with SOXL. Just from the recent downturn, they're off over 70% from their all-time highs. They're trading around $13 per share, and back just a couple months ago, before Donald Trump and all this market volatility,
What's your language?
they were up. It was at over $60. And the thing I really like about this is how it's recently been building a base since the April 2 Liberation Day, which it traded all the way down to under $9. So it's already up over 50%.
Well, what a great pick, Buffett. For my pick, I'm going to go with MSTR. Well, this stock, MicroStrategy Corporation, this stock actually had an earning yesterday, and they had lost in the revenue, but about a lot. But because Bitcoin seems to be rallying back up and at bottom, the market sentiment has been good with them. I think MSTR is a great pick for the upcoming weeks because not only is, I think, the American economy going to rally upwards, usually tech is the most volatile and lures it up. MSTR, aka Bitcoin, because it just mirrors Bitcoin, is going to go up a lot because when tech rises, Bitcoin rises, and MSTR rises even more. We'll see you next time. We're your hosts, Warren and
Buffett on
Peace
NextGen
out.
Investors.